What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Need for Speed Performance Cars. Today we are taking a look at the stunning Porsche 911 Carrera the Cabrio version. Let's pop up the roof. Check out the mechanism of this, guys. And by the way, this is really fast in comparison to other cars. So today I'm gonna show you all around this car, all of the cool stuff in it, and of course afterwards I'm gonna take it to a spin on the famous German Autobahn. Just check out the rear end of this car, boys. And by the way, we should not forget to mention the key. It looks just exactly like the car. On the Autobahn, I'm gonna do one thing, and that's for sure pushing it to its max. Now let's start with the way this car looks, because when you take a look at it, it immediately takes you back in time to the older 911 generations that we all grew up with. But of course, the newest 2020 model is way more sophisticated and advanced in several ways. Now, this car comes in standard black. The owner also built an extra protection film on top of the front bumper, on top of the hood, and also on top of the front LED lights for extra protection from flying stones on the highway at higher speeds, which I do really like. Back to colors. This car, when you want to order one of these by Porsche, you have a big choice between standard colors to metallic to what Porsche calls special colors. All of that is available on the website when you want to order a new one. Speaking of the look of this car, check out these LED headlights. These LED headlights are equipped with Porsche's latest dynamic system. Overall, I do like the look of this car, especially these air vents over here, which do ensure enough air intake to cool down the engine and the turbocharger. And when they're not needed, they can be closed. The car does that automatically, which also ensures a better aerodynamic state for the car. Now we should talk about the wheels. At the back we've got a 21 inches, at the front we have 20 inches, and I personally do find that these rims especially give a aggressive punch to the car that adds up to its already aggressive look. Now the most important part of this car, in my opinion, is the back. It's all important, but I do also really like the back of this car, which has a really futuristic look. Let's start up with a spoiler. This spoiler is slightly bigger than the older generations of the 911 Carrera to ensure better stability while driving at higher speeds. After that, we have this massive LED rear light, which gives the feeling that you have two spoilers at the same time, at the night of course. Below that we have the Porsche, the name of the car usually, and then the 911 Carrera badge, which brings us to a really important part of this car, which are these massive exhaust pipes, which are of course real and not fake. You're buying a Porsche, you're getting real exhausts, which brings us to how this car sounds. just amazed by that, to be honest. So gotta turn the car off so guys you can hear me better. Ignition off. So guys, you heard it. That was a 3-liter flat 6-cylinder petrol engine that is capable of producing 385 horsepower and a maximum torque of 450 Newton meters. Of course, it's fitted as well with a biturbo. The thing that I really love in this car is the new 8 double clutch speed box they built inside of it. It is just super responsive, super quick. You want to get somewhere fast, you just hit the gas and that's it. The car flies basically. So now, talking about the interior of the car, let's hop in and get into some more details. So guys, as soon as you get inside the car, you get greeted with this epic animation made by Porsche, especially for your car. So there's the model of the car and there's the 911 Carrera. Now, something else that you will immediately notice is the seats. These are sport seats that are basically really comfortable, hold a good grip of your back while driving, and they're like really stable. They're also made out of leather, which is also as well really tough, good leather. I mean, it's a Porsche, top quality of course. But one thing I'm going to criticize, I mean, either take the back seats out or don't put them there. Children can sit inside there, that wouldn't be a big problem, but if you're an adult, you don't want to travel long distances in this car, and trust me for that. So as soon as we turn the ignition on, we get our entertainment system over here, which is basically simple to use. So here is your home button. Over here there's your navigation. It's really responsive. You can type in any kind of, this is to locate yourself. You put on your destination where you want to go to, and super easy. This is the media where you can connect your phone. Oh, basically here you can listen to the radio and so on. Phone, you can connect it over here, search for a new phone or whatever you want to do. And this is for the car. Over here you can control your exhaust system, you can control your spoiler. You want to come up, you come down. You can control your chassis. You want to put it to normal mode or sport mode. Basically when you put it to the sports mode, then it stiffens up the car more. It's like sharper on the corners and so whatever on. More controls. This is for the displays. If you want to set the brightness, you want to put it to some other settings, you can also change that. This is for the climate. You also have the climate buttons over here down there. You can use them basically easier while you're driving instead of touching and typing over the touch screen. That would be easier while you're driving. But other than that, the interior of this car is super modern, simple as well. It's not complicated. It's perfect to use, to be honest, and I can't find something where I can really complain about, except the space at the back seats. Yeah, let me think again. Nope, I can't find anything to complain about. Man, the steering wheel is just awesome. Everything this car does from the moment you get inside of it and then you get out, is just amazing. All right guys, so let's hop to our Autobahn test drive and see what gets out of that. Oh, so guys, one thing I forgot to mention, which is this gearbox. It's automatic, of course, but you are also able to set it into manual shifting. You will use your paddle shifts over here, and the gearbox won't change any gears unless you do it yourself. Check it out. So now it's in automatic mode. You press the manual mode, and you're the only thing that's controlling this beast right now. All right, guys, now we're going back to the Autobahn. Let's go. So guys, as you see, now we're currently on the German Autobahn, but it's really filled up with heavy traffic. Let's see if we can get some speed at all. But really doesn't look like it. We'll try my best. I really want to push the gas, that's why.
Unfortunately guys, due to heavy traffic on the highway, we were only able to reach a top speed of 291 kilometers with this Porsche. The second unlucky thing that happened is that the POV GoPro camera for some freaking reason did not save the video, but luckily the speedometer camera did, and we will show you the top speed we caught with that one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and it will be great help for us if you click the like button for more videos. Take care and drive safe. See you in the next one.